Ja sam Dubravka, imam 54 godine. Rođena sam Osječanka, a trenutno živim u Belgiji već nekih 6-7 godina. Ja sam u godinama kada se možda dešavaju najveće promjene na ženskom tijelu. Neke su dobre, neke su loše i jednostavno sam se javila zbog toga što moje lice više nije ono što je bilo ili s čime bi ja bila sretna.
Let's look at the vector.
Okay, Dubravka's face is...
Yes, she has a good forehead, a little bit high, but good enough. Do you see here that she has an asymmetry of the eyelid?
Yeah.
Yes.
Also maybe because of the brow position, but it's definitely asymmetric.
Okay.
Ja sam se prijavila na ovaj natječaj prije 1,5 godina. I kad su me nazvali prije 2 tjedna, zaista sam bila sretna zato što je to nešto što ja stvarno želim. I moja poruka ženama, zapravo općenito ljudima je da ako nešto zaista iskreno želite, to će doći ako vam je namijenjeno.
So we got the eyelids, lower eyelids later, tip refinement, upper lip lift. So in her case we work on the skin, we work on the volume and the middle part, and we do anti-gravity.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Kako ste?
Odlično, hvala.
Sjedite se.
So, Dubravka, what did motivate to come?
Well, the changes on my face.
Yes.
Some things which I did to myself, putting some fillers and things, and also because of my aging.
You had fillers done in the lip?
Yes, I had.
And here we see a little bit.
This one is from a long time ago. And also I had filler maybe like 2 months ago.
Dubravka je u jednom normalnom procesu aginga u licu. Pokušala je sa tim nekakvim minimalno invazivnim zahvatima dobiti određeno poboljšanje. To nakon nekog vremena jednostavno ne ide.
And what would you like? What do you expect from the surgery?
Yeah, well, I expect a rejuvenated
face. Just a younger look. 10 years back in time.
15 if possible.
But natural.
Yes, but natural.
Okay. I think you should see rejuvenation as 4 things. One is better organs, more to averages. Then there's skin. You have a glowing, healthy skin. Is good on everybody, for somebody who's 20, but also for somebody who's 70. There's volume and muscle action, so that's botulinum toxin, and that's fillers. And then there's anti-gravity surgery. That means that instead of a triangle which looks sad, you try to create a triangle which looks rejuvenated, smiley, happy. And that will summarize actually all the procedures that are in the rejuvenation of the face box.
The crown of your makeover will be the Deep Plane Facelift, where we will kind of reshape the whole face and put it up.
Yes, so we will work on this angle here, so get this a little bit up, and we will redrape the skin by pulling on the deep area. We'll do the Deep Plane Facelift, and we rebuild the cheek area. Okay, you ready to go?
Yes, I am. I'm ready.
Okay. Good.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.